Hello my fiends and welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to get from this to this gorgeous Wednesday Addams-inspired nails. Truly spectacular, isn't it? Okay, so what I've used to make these fabulous nails: some black nail polish, mice from Bariem and so far my favorite, white nail polish, black nail polish liner, white nail polish liner, piece of dish sponge, and clear top coat if you fancy. So first I paint my nails black, and I paint the ones where I know I will need black canvas to create a design, which in this case will be almost all of them except two. I know these nails look complicated and difficult to make, but today I will show you it's not actually very difficult, it's really easy. And that's what we like the most, isn't it? Great effect, but no hard labor needed. On the first nail, using white polish liner, I make horizontal stripes. I'm not perfect, so obviously I make some mistakes, and when I need to straighten the line, I correct it with black liner. And then I repeat until I paint enough stripes to cover the nail. You know, in this case, precision and patience are the key. Next I move to middle finger, only because it's just most comfortable to me to make it in this way. And on this one, using white liner, I make vertical thin lines. And now it's time for our sponger. I use a little bit of the white nail polish on a harsh side of the spongy, and I stamp it on the nail until it looks like reversed ombre. Using the toothpick, I am attempting to draw a bat. I use the word attempt because sometimes I fail horribly in that, but this time it actually came out quite well. You see, he has a little head, tiny wings. It's not bad actually, isn't it? On this nail, I will make signature Wednesday Addams white collar dress. First I create collar line and I paint the bottom part black. Using white liner, I'm making a collar which is pointy and in triangle shape. I'm filling that in, obviously, with white nail polish. And now, using toothpick and black liner, I am making black bow, and then with white liner, I'm making white buttons. Thumbs are not very hard to make, it's actually easier because they're quite big, but in this position in front of the camera, it's just, it's almost impossible to show you guys. But I really tried, guys, and on this one I'm making white spider's web using white liner. Alrighty then, moving on to the second hand. I repeated the same process and I paint 4 fingers black. I changed the design slightly and I put them on different nails, so for instance this time vertical stripes land on first nail. White ombre goes to middle finger, and this is exciting because on that one I will make signature Wednesday Addams initial, but not yet. Horizontal stripes goes to fourth finger. And moving back to the middle one, I'm using black liner and I'm making Wednesday Addams initial, big W with these nice curly ends. I extended middle part of W a little because I decided that will look better, and actually at the end I think that looks better. Here I repeat Wednesday Addams color dress design. Oh my god guys, just look at the shine of this black paint. I absolutely love Barry M nail polishes, and this black, literally guys, like the best in the world. Filling it in. Little buttons. And last but not least, black ribbon. On the thumb, I'm making another spider's web using white polish liner. And that's the final effect, guys! Oh my god, this is gorgeous! I must say this is one of my favorite nail designs. Simple black and white, but have this wow factor. And if you're Wednesday or Addams Family fan, it will suit you perfectly. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give me this thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss any upcoming videos to my channel. Stay spooky and see you in the next one. Bye bye.